Welcome back, everyone. This is Deathstroke9 addressing the Legion, and today I want to ask you, are you a fan of Call of Cthulhu, Runequest, role-playing in Glorantha, or any other Chaosium role-playing game? If so, you need to get on this forum, because, yeah, it is the best place to go if you have any type of questions about it, any type of questions about any of their games. Chaosium has their own forum. Now, this video is going to show you how to get on there, how to get in there, and how to, begin using all the different tips and tricks, and I'll just show you how the forum works. So, if you already know how the forum works, maybe you'll discover some new hidden things that you didn't know about before. So the very first thing I'm going to do is turn on my display capture. There we go. Now, let me see if I can get myself in here. One moment, please. There we go. Alrighty then. So, and there we are. Alright, so we are going to go right in here. Now, this BRP Central is the name of this forum. So first off, the very first thing you're going to need to do when you get on here is you can be on here. See how it says 33 guests? Those are basically people who are not signed in. There are members, anonymous, and signed in people. You should definitely sign in. That's what allows you to do things. So the very first thing you're going to need to do is create an account. Now, when you create an account, I'm not going to go too deep into my own account because I don't want to show you anything crazy. But so when you create your account, you create a username for yourself. It's very easy to do. You make a username and you make a password. I'm pretty sure that's it. And yeah, it's not like this site takes money or anything, so it's very quick, very easy. The password is only there so that no one else can sign into your account and say things that aren't actually you. So right off the start, you'll see that you have a profile page. You can upload an image over in here by clicking on this place to add an image from your computer to be your profile. Then you can also add a cover photo. I have Game Master 101 back here. As you create more content, make posts, your content count goes up. Tells you when you joined, when you last visited. It tells you who has visited your profile. And basically on here it just says everything you do and anything anyone else does that has anything to do with you. So I might get back in here a little later to show you some more little tips and tricks about how you can do things, but let's just go down and see. So as always, I'm always in the Call of Cthulhu forum. Now, almost everything in this forum is PG-13. There were a couple cuss words that I noticed, but in general, so here is let me find one that I've created. So, as you can see, there are lots of active people, but in my opinion, there's not enough. And a lot of the people active are not making use of all of the different features that this program has to offer. So, the main purpose of this video is to show you how you can get involved with this thriving community that needs to grow even bigger, because I know that there are millions of people worldwide who play this game. So, and all their games. So, let me find, where's one of the first posts I made on here. So let me show you how you start a topic. Click Start a New Topic, and all you got to do is you add a title, My Topic. Then you add tags. Now, not everyone does this, but you can because it helps people find your content easier. Most of the time, I post about my YouTube channel, so I write YouTube, put a comma, and you've got a tag. Now, down here, you see it says item prefix. Definitely click on one of your tags to be the prefix because then it shows up with the title and it's just more eye-popping. You can also create a poll if you want. You've got different options. You can make a poll title, make voter names public, automatically close poll on a specific date. This video might be a little bit long, just so you know, because there's a lot of different things that this site can do. Then you choose some choices. You can add more questions. That's how you do polls. Back to content. One thing I really like about this forum is that you can, first of all, it gives you all different, so bold, italic, underline, strike through. You can add links. You can quote things. You can remove formatting. You can add emojis, lists. Excuse me. And you can center everything, send it in different places, change the font. There's just so many different things you can do on here. There should be some like Cthulhu fonts on here, I think, personally, or Runequest rune fonts. That'd be pretty cool. There's a lot of different fonts that should be on here but aren't, so maybe you guys can, maybe if we get enough of you on here requesting it, we'll finally see some better fonts. But anyway, so you can put anything you want in here. Let me see, what was the last thing that I copied? There we go. Ultimate horror often paralyzes memory in a merciful way. H.P. Lovecraft, The Rats in the Walls. So then, you make sure notify me of replies is checked so that if anyone says anything, you know, you can see what they said. You can attach all different types of files on here. If you attach files, they can download these files. Just want to let you know. I don't know, there might be a way for you to make it so that they can't, but as far as I know, they can. Then you click submit topic. Now, obviously, I'm not going to submit this because this is not a question. This is not anything that people don't already know, but it is a good starting point. So when you first come on here, you should make a topic or browse the topics. Now, here's one that I made. Let me find it. It's probably fallen behind a little bit, but it was pretty popular when I first made it, which I was pretty shocked by it, pretty much. Yes, H.P. Lovecraft's greatest work. Actually, let me shoot. All right, so you notice that behind it, it's got poll, right? So I made a poll. I tagged it question Lovecraft HPL greatest works, and the name of it is HPL's greatest work. I created a poll: which H.P. Lovecraft fiction do you enjoy the most? People voted on it. It's got 44 votes right now. Anyone watching this, please go vote on this. Tell me what your favorites are, because at the end of the year, I'm going to close this poll, and then we shall see what happens. I also asked which of the following authors do you believe to be the best? Lovecraft, Clark Ashton Smith, and Robert Bloch. I think that's how you pronounce that. Bloch? I don't know. So then I wrote, as chosen by you, right? Now, people can respond. Now let me show you what else you can do. You can react to things. Now these people were very constructive. That's another thing I really like about this. In general, not everyone on here is like this. There are many different types of people, but here's a positive generalization, is that everyone on here is very, very, very polite, very nice. They're accepting of other opinions. The Chaosium, the moderators and stuff, accept constructive criticism. If you come on here and create an account and just start criticizing them, you will get probably temporarily banned. And even if you don't get temporarily banned, I know from experience that if you say anything on here without having... people will just start attacking you if you say something on here that does not have any merit. So everyone on here is very loyal to Chaosium, which is a good thing. I myself think Chaosium is far better than Wizards of the Coast. All right, I will keep this poll open until the end of the year or until 100 people vote. When that happens, I shall declare the ultimate winner of this enlightening competition. So let me find something that I can react to so I can show you how to react. It's very, very, very straightforward. You go to any topic at all. Click on it, character sheet pack. There are so many different things you can get into on here. Okay, so here's someone. You also, along with your name, it says your rank. And once you get to a certain point, you can type your own rank in, and I'll show you how to do that in a few minutes. So, I was wondering if you were going to release a character sheet package that could have 1920s modern and pulp versions as well. I know you guys offer them for free as PDFs, but putting them out in a pack would be great for last-minute game nights and people without printers. And one more thing, make them like the ones in the starter set so you can use pencils. Thanks for your time. Okay. That's not the greatest of ideas, but for the purposes, I'm going to like it. Just so you know, you can print these things out. That would be much better for last-minute game nights rather than just selling a character sheet package, but I don't know. It said for people without printers, but I don't know. You should go to a printing shop and print out like a bunch of them. And I think someone said that, so, you know. Anyway, so yeah, that's just the Call of Cthulhu forum, and that's just the forum. That's another thing that makes this forum so cool, basicroleplaying.org. You've got Basic Roleplaying, Glorantha, Runequest, Call of Cthulhu, Pendragon and Prince Valiant, Hero Quest, Mythic Worlds, The Cult of Chaos, which is a closed, locked place that you need to be 18 or older to join, and you need to join their little group. You have to sign up for it, give them your email address and a bunch of other stuff, and they give you free stuff, but it's pretty cool. Mithras, Open Quest, Renaissance, Revolution, D10, Legend, Quest 21, Delta Green, which is basically another form of Call Cthulhu, Alistair's Skull Inn, which is a really great place to introduce yourself right at the beginning when you come on, and then a bunch of inactive forums that are no longer used. Yeah, that's the forum. Then you've got the gallery. I'm going to try to show you some of everything on this site, all right? Now, I myself have created quite a few memes on here, but you can create images. People, I believe, can download them. You can add images. You add an image from, so you create an album or use an existing album which you've created. I have Call of Cthulhu memes. Use selected album. Then you can have all these different things, set copyright, credit, tags, notification settings, and you add images from your computer. Then you click submit all images. I don't know if you can see my cursor. I really hope you can. Next, you can go to downloads, and you have a bunch of different downloadable things on here. Character sheets, filled character sheets, and then a lot of things like this. 439 downloads. That's really good. These are cool. I should probably put one of my things on here. Most downloaded. Fire and Sword, 5th edition. Huh. Guess someone created a combat reference sheet. Anyway, there's a lot of different downloads on here. You can create a blog. I've created a blog for my YouTube channel, as you can tell. Blogs are made pretty much the same way any other content is. You add new entry, and then it's basically just like making a topic. In my opinion, more people see it. You've got guidelines. I probably should have put this right at the beginning, but here you go. All rule members are expected to moderate themselves and pay heed to guiding from the moderators. Some temperature is certainly allowed, but vicious trolling will result in a ban from the site, as will blatant copyright violations. Otherwise, I will refer only to the only law in Cardamom Town, here in a broken English translation. One shall not bother others, one shall be nice and kind, otherwise one may do as one pleases. That is true. So, that's their guidelines. You've got staff, which, you know, that's self-explanatory, online users, activity, chaosium.com, that'll take you to their website, and a leaderboard, which I really like because I'm a competitive person. Unfortunately, you can't ever win against the moderators. Like, Mob, Jeff, some other people, constantly, like, whenever they post anything, they get like 20 likes, or maybe not 20 likes, but a lot of likes very quickly, almost whenever they post anything, which makes sense. But there is a leaderboard. Then up here you've got notifications. It'll tell you when people react to your topics, or post in topics, or quote you, or tag you. That's another thing you can do, is if you @ someone and put their username, like, let's see. Dark Gael, right? Put @ spell that out, and you've got it. Let's see. You've also got messages. There's a lot of different. Let me see. Messages. So the email messages is pretty much the same type of thing. You can, as notifications, people can send you private messages. You can create content up here. And yeah, you can type in an about yourself. Now this part is really cool. You can add links. You can say whatever you want about yourself. You can follow people. They can follow you back. If you're following someone, you see pretty much everything that they post. This video is going on for a long time. Let me hurry this up. You can add your own rank. I put Voice of the Legion because that is what I consider myself to be. My website URL is to my YouTube channel. I have a biography, so you can fill all this stuff out. Current games, location, blurb. Obviously, that location is very general. You can put a brief location. Blogs, albums. Then you can go to Edit Profile, and this is where some cool things can be done. First of all, here's where you've got Voice of the Legion. So where you've got all of these different things. Yeah, no. Fill in all of this stuff, right? Then there's another place you can go. Where is it? It's at account settings, I believe. Now let me make sure that this isn't... Yeah, password's closed. Okay, good. So you guys already know my email address, so that's fine. You go to signature, and you can add something like this. I put Voice of the Legion. This is at the end of everything that I say. Your display name, 0 of 1 display name changes. You are permitted to make 1 change in a 60-day period. I will always remain what I am. So, there you go. I am the Voice of the Legion. I am Deathstroke 9. Now, as you can see, blogs are seen a lot more than a lot of these things are, but no matter what, the newest thing is up. In general, all topics stay on topic. Yeah. Now you know the Chaosium forums. Now, for those of you... Let me see display capture. Let me get rid of it. For those of you watching right now who are new to my channel, please subscribe and like this video. Also, for those of you in the forum watching right now, thank you for watching this. Those of you who are not in the forum, you need to make an account. You need to join us. We are all one there. We are all us. That is the Chaosium freaking catchphrase, whatever you want to call it. I'm pretty sure they've trademarked it, so it's definitely their catchphrase. We are all us. So, make an account. I will put a link in the description. No matter what Chaosium game you like, I'm assuming if you're watching this video you like Call of Cthulhu, unless you found it through search. If you're a subscriber, you'd like Call of Cthulhu almost certainly. But if you found it through search, then please go like this forum because it's really fun. I'm probably, I don't know how many people my age are on it. That's one problem. So, I'm pretty sure everyone else on here is a lot older than I am, which is good. But we need new, younger players to start taking the hobby into their own hands, because if they don't, this incredible hobby is going to die with the previous generation. We need to carry it forward, and I feel like we need to get some young people on here. I will soon be doing a video telling you how to use, and, well, basically it's not super difficult to use it, but giving basically my review of the Chaosium Call of Cthulhu Facebook page, which is, oh my goodness, I love their Facebook page so much. I feel like the community on there is even better than the one on the forum, which is why I'm making this video, is because I want you guys to go on there and make it even better. So, yes, thank you for watching this video. If you like this content, and if you like my content, go to that forum and follow me. You'll be able to see all different types of content from me. And you can also find links to all of my other stuff in the description. I recently created a Wix site. I have a Discord, which mostly I post a lot of Cthulhu memes. I have an Instagram also for Cthulhu memes. Also, if you want to join the Cthulhu meme team, create a meme or find a meme that's has the creator's tag on it or whatever. Send it to me, and I will repost it on my Instagram, tagging you or whoever the person is, or whoever the creator is, crediting the creator. So, yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the forums. Deathstroke 9, aka Daniel Profeta, Voice of the Legion, out.